Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Britain, UK. So we will see geographical location of the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is located in northwestern Europe. It is an island country, meaning it is surrounded by water. See around UK, right? Because it is an island nation, it has a strong naval power. It developed early trade and exploitation. Now we will see countries of the United Kingdom, not state, right? The UK is not a federation like India or the USA, right? It is a union of 4 countries that joined together historically. Okay, the 4 countries: first, England, large population, capital is London, right? Second, Scotland, right? Mountains land, right? Sorry, capital is Edinburgh, has its own parliament. Now next, Wales known for hills, right? Hills and valleys, capital is Cardiff, has a Wales assembly. Northern Ireland, right? Share borders with Ireland, capital is Belfast, has its own local government. All 4 countries are governed by the United Kingdom Parliament in London. Now we will see capital city London. London is capital of England, capital of the UK, one of the most important cities in the world. Importance of London: global financial center, right? Houses the UK Parliament, home to the Prime Minister and King, major culture and educational hub, right? Now, the United Kingdom follows a constitutional machinery with parliamentary democracy. Constitutional monarchy, right? The country has a king. His powers are limited by law and tradition, right? He does not rule the country. Parliamentary democracy, people elected their representatives. The government is formed by the majority party, right? The Prime Minister runs the country. The King, head of state. Current monarch, right? King Charles III, right? Rule of the King. Symbol of national unity. Opens parliament, sign law formally. Represents the UK internationally. The King cannot make laws or policies. Now, Prime Minister, head of government. Current Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer, right? Power and representatives, runs the government, chooses minister, leads national decision making, control foreign policy and economy, commands the armed forces politically. The Prime Minister live at 10 Downing Street, London, right? Now we will see cabinet system in UK. The Prime Minister is supported by a cabinet group of senior ministers. Each minister control a department like education, health, defense, etc. Major decisions are taken collectively. Okay, now we will see opposition and its importance. The UK has a strong opposition system. Leader of the opposition, Kemi Badenoch. Role of opposition: citizens, government, politics, ask questions in parliament, protects democracy, offer alternatives ideas. This system prevents misuse of power. Now we will see Parliament of the United Kingdom. 2 houses of Parliament. First, House of Commons, elected members like MPs. Okay, most powerful house, makes law, control government. Now second, House of Lords. House of Lords appointed by King, right? Appointed members, expect and experienced people, review and improve laws. Now we will see British history, right, in detail. Okay, in ancient time, Britain, Celtic tribes lived there. Okay, Romans ruled from 43 AD to 410 AD, right? And now medieval period, right? Medieval period, Norman conquest 1066, right? Development of monarchy, Magna Carta 1215. Okay, limited king's power, protected citizens' rights. British Empire, 18th and 9th century, Britain ruled nearly 1/4 of the world. Colonies in India, Africa, America, modern Britain, right? Empire declined after World Wars. Colonies become independent. Britain became a welfare state, left the European Union in 2020. Now we will see Education system in Britain. Okay, so education is compulsory until age 16. Education level: primary school 5 to 11, secondary school 11 to 16, college 6th from university. Special futures: focus on critical thinking, a strong research culture, world ranking universities. Education controlled separately in England, Scotland and Wales. Now we will see healthcare system in UK. The UK has a National Health Service, NHS futures. Free healthcare at point of use, funded by government taxes, cover all citizens. One of the world's largest public healthcare systems. Now we will see British culture. Okay, British culture is both traditional and modern. Culture includes literature like Shakespeare, respect for law and orders, royal traditions, politeness and punctuality, multicultural society, festivals like Christmas, Easter, right? National and cultural celebration. Now we will see economy and development of United Kingdom. The UK is a high economic development country. Main economic sector: banking and finance, education, healthcare, technology, trade and services. Development indicators, right? High literacy rate, advanced infrastructure, a strong legal system, social welfare programs. Okay, now we will see international role of the United Kingdom. The UK is a powerful global national, permanent member of UN Security Council, member of NATO, a strong diplomatic relations, influentially in world politics. Importance: world ranking of the United Kingdom, UK in different categories: economic, population, human development, innovation, etc., with clear exploitation. Now we will see GDP. Economic size: the UK is one of the largest economies in the world. First ranking: nominal GDP, 6th largest economy in the world by total GDP, nominal, meaning the UK's total economic output is the sixth biggest globally, right? Encyclopedia: nominal GDP measure the total value of goods and services produced in a country expressed in current US dollar. So only 5 countries have a bigger economy than the UK. Typically United States, China, Germany, India, Japan, and next UK. Okay, United Kingdom. Now encyclopedia: GDP per capita, average income per person. This is the total GDP divided by the population, showing how wealthy the average person is. The UK's GDP per capita rank is wrongly around 21st place in the world. Nominal GDP per capita, encyclopedia, the means the average income level of people in the United Kingdom is higher than most countries, but note the very top, many small wealthy countries rank above it. Okay, now we will see Human Development Index, HDI. The Human Development Index measures overall development, including life expectancy, education and income. The United Kingdom ranks about 15th in the world on HDI. This is a very high value, showing strong quality of life. Manjo, this puts the United Kingdom among the most developed countries globally. Now we will see innovation ranking. Innovation rankings show how well countries create new technology ideas, and in the global innovation index 2025, the UK is 6th out of above 140 countries. WIPO, this show the UK is one of the top innovation countries in the world. Now we will see population ranking of UK. The UK's population is large but not in the top there. Okay, the United Kingdom ranks approximately 22nd in the world by population. World Bank data bank, so there are about 21st countries, right, 21 countries with more population than the UK. Other global index, here are a few additional ways the UK ranks. Happy Planet Index, right, around 9th out of 147 countries. Measures. If you found this story inspiring, please give me your blessing. WPTV will provide you with all information about all the world leaders. So stay connected with me, right? Stay connected with World Political TV. Thank you.